I'ma help them understand what you're saying. Basically, this how the girl is. Where? Who? You been where? Where who?
For real?
Oh, really? That's how you feel? And the guys be like,
asking all these questions.
asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements.
Assuming?
Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Where you been? How much did you spend? Yeah, I trust you. Now unlock your phone. Who is this? Oh, see? Why you stand with me? That's the same reason why you ain't stand with me. You trying to get up in these drawers, you ain't stand with me. And I ain't even trying to hear what you saying to me. Just grab your stuff, hit the dough. Waiting with them other girls. That is why her weed summer. Talking about the beach curl. She ratchet? That's why I'm pregnant. And you the tapping? Looking stupid. That's what you get. Walking around here lying, thinking that you're slick. But you dumb. You stupid? Oh, don't you talk when I'm talking, you better mute it. Now unlock your phone, let me see them pictures. I'm gonna check your Facebook, and I'm gonna check your Twitter, and I bet it tell me where? Who? You been where? Where who?
For real?
Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Girl. Why you good? Oh, who that girl? That's Jim, I good. You wanna know the truth? And how I feel? Stop sweet watching. So I know it's real. Girl, ain't nobody lying to you. I ain't got no secrets. I ain't hiding from you. But you still wanna check my home and my feet. Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to be. What you said you pregnant, it ain't mine. Girl, I wrapped it up. That's how I know you lie. What you think I'm dumb? You think I'm stupid? You think I love you? Do I look like you? Hold on. Let me see your picture. Let me check your Facebook. What's the password to your Twitter? You wanna see him. You trying to see him at 7 p.m. this weekend so he can put it all on you. You ain't slick. You ain't slick. Well, who? You been where? Where who? For real? Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Asking all these questions. Asking all these questions. Why you asking all these questions? Making statements. Whatever, nigga. What you gonna do? You just because you got.
See how he gave up.